Hi guys, I'm Mackie Messer, but you can call me Mackie, and welcome to my forge. Today on my anvil here, I'm trying to forge a very small project because I don't have so much time. And where I put it? I put it somewhere. Here it is. My son made for my wife this spice dryer, so she can dry spices on it. And she wants to hang it into the kitchen. So I thought I'd make a little hook for it, so we can put it on the ceiling, roof, ceiling, whatever, you know what I mean. And I want to make something very small, like a little hook, but with a screw end, so I can screw it in. I never did this before, and I thought to myself, when I make the metal just thin and twist it, it should be a screw when the corners are sharp enough. And I just found this little old rusty nail, and I want to make this square and twist it and make here a nice hook, so it can hold on, and I can hang the spice dryer my son made on it. So let's see what happens when I try it. That was even easier than I thought it would be. But I will need to try it out. So, like always, I will make a little montage in the end, and this time it will be how I screw it into the ceiling and hanging on the spice dryer my son made. Want to see if it works? Stick around. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the small video this time. Ciao and bye bye!